The Immersive Reader is a great tool that makes content in Teams more accessible. To access the Immersive Reader, hover over a message in Teams. A little toolbar appears, on which you'll see 3 dots, the More Options button. Click on this, and in the menu, click on Immersive Reader. The Immersive Reader will load. The message that you selected will appear full screen. Clicking on a word in the message, and then the Listen button underneath, will read that word out to you. To listen to the entire message, click the play button at the bottom of the screen. To change how the message plays back, click the Voice Settings button to the right of the play button, and you can change how quickly the message is read and the voice of the reader. In the top right of the Immersive Reader, you have additional tools. Pressing any of these opens a panel from the right. The first tool is Text Preferences. In this tool, you can change the size of the font, the spacing of the text font, and the theme, which will change the text and background colour to suit your requirements. The next tool is the Grammar Options tool. In this tool, you can change the format of the message to display individual syllables and highlight particular words based on their type, i.e. nouns, verbs, adjectives, and adverbs. The final tool is Reading Preferences. In this tool, you can turn on Line Focus, which will highlight specific lines that are being read, and you can also translate the message into another language. When you're finished with the Immersive Reader, press the back button in the top left of the screen to go back to the conversation in Teams.